Did I do it right? Is it supposed to be like that? Jesus, my shim. Shim, kill me. Shim, kill me. Ooh, you know this is some good Caribbean soup. Welcome back to another video. So today is Vlogmas day 5. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. So in today's video, I will be making homemade eggnog. As we all know, eggnog is a statement drink when it comes around to the holidays. Before, I didn't really like it. I actually grown to like it. I normally buy the ones from Metro. The brand is Irresistible. But today, I'm like, why not try and make my own? So I googled the recipe, have the ingredients at home, so why not do it? If you guys are interested in how I make this eggnog, please continue to watch. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's get into this video. Alright y'all, the recipe calls for eggs. So I have eggs right here, whipping cream, ground nutmeg, got cinnamon from the Isle of Spice. It's the real deal, no imitation thing. I have milk. I know this is not going to be 2 cups of milk, so I'll have to refill the milk in the jar. Vanilla extract, my sugar, and salt. So let's proceed, y'all.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my heart.
So the recipe said to stir until the mixture reaches a bare simmer. And as you can see, well, I can see because it's simmering. You see the bubbles? Right there. So that means I will take off the mixture right now and continue on with the other step. Alright guys, so we at our final step. The recipe said to whisk constantly for a few minutes until the mixture is slightly thickened or until it reaches about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. I do not have a thermometer, so that's out of the question. So I'm gonna whisk, but it's more frothing than thickening, so I don't know what's going on. It's frothing up. That's froth. That's not thickening. It is. I think it is. So we're getting somewhere, y'all. We're getting somewhere. I'm gonna take it off. I don't want to spoil the eggnog, you know.
When you speak, all I can hear is silence.
Okay guys, so I went and strained the eggnog for a second time because this sifter finer than the strainer that I use. This is what it's looking like right now. So I'm gonna transfer the eggnog into a bottle and we're gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill for a bit. Alright guys, so this is the eggnog. I'm now gonna put it in the fridge and I'm gonna come back later to try it out. The time now is 7:09, so maybe around by 9 o'clock I'm gonna try it out to see how it tastes. So guys, I was editing and I got a phone call. My friend said to come downstairs, so brought me a bowl of soup. I'm gonna put some soup in the bowl. Guess what? I ain't gotta cook. I ain't gotta cook today. I had leftovers from yesterday, the curry chicken and white rice and salad, but I'm hungry now. It's 8:22. I cook late. I do, in case you're wondering. So let me dish myself out a bowl of soup and continue editing. The eggnog is still in the fridge chilling. So I think by 9:30 I'll come back and try it out. So yeah. Ooh, you know this is some good Caribbean soup. There's okra, whole skin, but I don't eat that. The flavors, so good. Banana. Some carrot, because carrot is good for your eyesight. What happened? No dumpling? Ain't no dumpling. There's no dumpling here. I got one dumpling. So here's my soup. Guys, the soup tastes so good. So good. So this is the eggnog, and I'm gonna shake it because it really feels thick. It feels thick, so I'm gonna shake it. Shake it up. Copper ice. Let me take the ice out. This is not a good idea. So I took the ice out, and we're gonna do that again. I'm not gonna put too much, you know. This is really thick. Did I do it right? Is it supposed to be like that? I don't know, y'all. I feel like it's a big fail, but anyways, we're gonna put some cinnamon for garnish and sprinkle some nutmeg on there. So this is the eggnog, y'all. I don't want to fill it all the way up. I'm gonna call my son so we can try it and we will give our honest review. Cheers.
I had to say porridge. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah. Or she didn't make porridge.
Guys, I have come to the end of this video. I did follow the right steps, but the flavor and everything is really, it's good. You're making custard to make ice cream. If you're from the Caribbean, you'll understand where I'm coming from. That is what it's given, custard. But it tastes really good. I don't know, maybe I'll try it next time. I will give it 8 out of 10. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments if I did something wrong, because I don't get why the hell that my eggnog didn't come up properly. I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick to the store-bought ones because less stress. That's all I gotta say. Jesus, my Shim. Shim, I kill me. Shim, I kill me.